Think of me as the bird whisperer. Birds just seem to love me. Are you chewing on your box? Hey, you're tearing your box up. He wants my finger so badly.
Worry.
Wants my finger. Hey, Rachel. There's your peacock friend. What's your name? You're very pretty. And I don't say that to every peacock I see. Yeah, pretty much spurning my compliments. Hello. Hello, little duck. We are communing with nature. Hey, what is this? He was eating my pants. You can't eat my pants, that's no good. This beautiful white bird has adopted me as both a friend and a light afternoon snack. Which is considered a compliment and an indication of somewhat mild loathing among birds.